Guys, hello. Welcome to this vlog. It's kind of all over the place because I don't even know what vlog this is gonna be. It's gonna be like some kind of travel with me vlog or something, I don't know. But yeah. Anyways, it's Saturday now and I just finished packing. I'm going to travel. We're going to travel to Germany tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. So I'm actually really excited because I just downloaded Sweet Home season 3 and like the rest of like the episodes of When I Fly Towards You. So I do have like some shows to watch in the car. So yeah, it's gonna be like a 2-day trip. Tomorrow we're just gonna drive, and then around like 3 p.m. we're gonna go to our hotel and then just have dinner and then just like sleep, I guess. And then the next day we're gonna eventually hopefully arrive at the campsite. Campsite. Oh, camping. Anyways, yeah, so I'm really excited.
That was actually just everything I wanted to say.
Guys, I actually want to cry. Look at this mosquito bite. Like, bro, a normal arm is like... Ooh, this. Waar is hier gewoon mooi?
Hey, you are in Paris. I may have put it down when you was falling down. Hey, you find it funny. You find it funny, love. You got it crazy now.
wait, it's been so long since I've spoken in English. It's probably gonna sound weird, but anyways, I'm already at this camping like for a week. I do kind of like it. It's been like really hot these days, and I feel like I've literally forgotten all my English because like there are only like German and Dutch people in here, but it's okay. Yeah, I don't know. I do kind of miss home. I like this whole week I haven't worn any makeup. I think it's kind of good for my skin because like my skin has time to breathe now. Like I think having like a break of life, just like sitting in a random ass camping, it's kind of fun because now I get to be excited for like the random stuff at home that I just always do so easily. So yeah, and also it's been pretty hard to like keep up with all the Stray Kids content because we're literally in the middle of like a comeback, so that means like new content every day. But like where I'm sitting right now, it's like a wait, let me show it. It's like a, I don't know, some like hangout place. The Wi-Fi here is good, so I just always take like an hour of my day to just sit here and watch YouTube, I guess. Why do I feel like I'm doing some kind of interview? I'm just like literally sitting here talking. Ik heb verder echt niks te zeggen. Goodbye. Lekker in het midden.